You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 36/25. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 10x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 18 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 25. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 36/25.